Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our break box break. This is 2013-2014 Panini Playbook box break number 77. Here's the last game up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number is just a little bit hard to see, so I didn't cut the plastic first. Let's do the box. Any 206-546-908. That's any 206-546-908. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got an autobiography hit, 1 out of 99 of Joe Colburn for the Flames. We got a social signatures hit of Jonas Enroth for the Sabres. The book at last. Base card for the Panthers of Pavel Bure, 179 out of 249. And we finish it off with an Armory booklet, 18 out of 50 of Brett Hall. Nice hit for the Red Wings. Armory, Brett Hall. The card goes to the Red Wings. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.